What you doing, Bubs? What? Do you hear that? Do you know what that is? Is Daddy home? Is that what that sound is? And I get the hugs. Oh, it's so nice when Daddy comes home and I get the hugs. Yeah. So what should we do? Daddy's home. What do we do? Yeah. Ellie, tell me. What do we do when Daddy gets home? What do we have to do now? Ellie, do we hide? Do we hide? Where do we hide? Where do we hide when Daddy comes home? Where are we gonna hide? We gotta hide from Daddy. Where should we go? We gotta shh. We gotta shh. Where should we hide? Let's find our hiding spot. Yep, this is it. We gotta get back in our hiding spot, huh? There we go. We'll wait for him now. Yeah, well, shh. I'm not usually the one that gives us away, FYI. I am. I'm Sheen. I'm Sheen. Oh, you're making room for me. He's really taking his time, huh? Yeah. He's taking his time. His time. I hear the door. That's him. Okay. Wait, I don't know if I fit. Okay, you hide. You hide. You keep hiding. Okay, I'll get in. Okay. He'll never see us. He's never gonna see us in here.